So hello guys and welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Kim and today I'm back with another video. Okay, so guys, in today's video I'll be showing you a method that you can actually earn money online. It is a simple application, or you could use the website version. Okay, so the application name is called AppNana. Okay, so how this application or website works: you download a game, then you play it. When you'll be playing it, you'll be completing tasks. There'll be in-game tasks that will be completing, and you'll be claiming points called nanas. Okay, so once you reach a certain amount of nanas, you can then either redeem them by getting gift cards if you don't have a bank account, or you can get the money directly to your bank account or even your PayPal account.
Step 1. Search a Nana. Step 2. Click the website. Drop a like or subscribe. Step 3. Link of APK in the description. How it works: 1. Install and play apps to get credits. 2. Exchange credits for money and gift cards. Use my link to get 10,000 credits. Open application. These are the free items available. Create account and get bonus. I just got a bonus for using the link. Complete task to get more credits. That's it for the video. Give me your response in the comments, and like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.